Hi, I'm Hannah.
And I'm Tiffany.
And we are nurses at Wellstar Cobb Hospital.
We want to start by saying an extra special thank you to our community for all of your love and support during the COVID crisis.
There are many different ways that you as community members can help support your local healthcare workers. And today we want to share a simple project that has made a huge impact in our day-to-day lives here.
We at Wellstar are focused on keeping our patients, our healthcare providers, and our community safe. And one of the things that we're doing is wearing personal protective equipment.
One of those pieces of equipment that everyone here in the hospital wears is a simple surgical mask.
This includes everyone from doctors, nurses, nutrition services, environmental services, administration, and everyone else that's required to keep our hospital going.
Wearing these surgical masks for an extended period of time ends up being very uncomfortable for our staff. Some staff wear these masks for 12 to 13 hours at a time, and doing this for numerous days in a row actually leads to some skin breakdown behind our ears.
So we found that simple headbands like this can be lifesavers for us. They protect our ears and ease discomfort so that we can put all of our focus into providing great patient care.
So we want to show you how to make these simple headbands. So first what you need to do is gather your supplies, and these supplies are available everywhere, but pretty much at any local store you go to. Walmart, Target, CVS, pretty much any store.
So first what you'll need is you'll need to get a stretchable fabric headband. You'll also need a needle and some thread and buttons, any kind.
The more creative, the better. We found some girly buttons that people like to be creative with, and then for some of our men, we have found some different buttons that are a little more manly. But be creative, have fun with it. It's actually a really fun project.
So what you want to do is you want to start with the seam of the headband at the bottom and place your button in the middle. We found that this works really well for most everyone.
So what Tiffany's going to do next is she just simply sews the button on, just one per side. And this doesn't have to be perfect, you guys, as long as it's nice and tight on the headband. It doesn't need to look pretty.
Then when you're finished, you're going to tie it off on the back, flip it over, and repeat the process in the same spot.
And that's it. So very simple. Here's one of the finished products here. So like I said, be creative. They're actually a lot of fun, but they don't take a lot of time at all.
So we want to thank our community. We appreciate your support. We're very proud to be a part of such a loving and giving community.
Thank you.